Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one and to inspire you to get started. So guess what I just heard last night? It's in high school that you wanted to go to or that you still plan to go to. Guess what?
It's accepting freshmen.
It's not accepting freshmen. No, it's closed.
Why?
COVID. 17 cases, including one teacher. They've closed the school today. Tomorrow is their flex day anyway, so they will just have. Oh, there's a car pulling out. It's gonna kill us. We're about to die. Yep. Is it Lynn? No, it's not Lynn. That's not Lynn's house. That's funny. I'm like, oh, yep. We're here. Anyway, that's funny. Oh yeah, so his friend goes there. He wanted to go there, and they're closing down for the weekend, basically, to clean the school. They're supposed to close down for 2 weeks, according to their plan. Are they even following the plan that they set out at the beginning of the school year? No. Which boggles my mind. But I'm super glad he's going to the little school and not the big school, because so far, so good on the little school. All right. You know, we've been in school now for what? A month? 3 weeks? 4 weeks? And they've never seen you wear that yellow shirt I bought at Walmart for $1.
Yep.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Just yellow's not your color?
I don't think so.
Sandra used to look really good in yellow. I used to buy him everything yellow when he was little, but he's the only one of my kids that I really bought yellow for ever. You should try it just to see. Maybe the girl will be like, hey Finn, you look good in yellow.
Am I good now?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Good morning. Welcome to day 19 of my reverse diet. Can you believe it's day 19? It's kind of crazy. And as you can see, the scale finally went the other direction. Not as far as I would like it to be going, but it's a step in the right direction. So that makes me feel better. A little better anyway. We'll see what happens this week, but it could be a sign that I might be heading into a whoosh. So I have to be super careful today. I have to be super careful today with my electrolytes. And today is a really tough day to be careful because it's a very busy day. We go from online homeschool, where we do online classes with other kids, to the park where we do a Georgics class for my daughter, Georgics. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a combination of science, farming, history, and finance. It's kind of interesting. It's like really encompasses a lot of different subjects, but basically we're studying old school farming and how you do it. So today they have an outdoor activity over there at a park. Then we have to rush back home for my daughter to do math online with an online instructor, and then we have to leave really fast to head to the dance studio for her clogging team practice. And then we're there all night because, like, I don't know if you guys remember last week, someone said I was a crabby mom because I was teasing my son. You know, that's just how we do. He's 15 next week, you know? Like, that's how we do. Anyway, that's beside the point. It's a busy day, and so it's going to be hard for me to keep up on my electrolytes, but I am going to try and make it my mission today to not screw up on my sodium, just in case I am heading into a whoosh. I might not be. It just could be a normal scale fluctuation, but we'll see. We will see. I've seen it happen before, so I try to be prepared just in case. I've been pretty dang consistent for 19 days, I have to say, and I'm pretty proud of myself for treating this like a science experiment and hitting my macros literally practically on the microgram. So, yeah, that's awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, but I will check back with you in a little while. All right, you guys, I got something exciting in the mail yesterday. I know I mentioned that a follower here on YouTube suggested that I add my Amazon wish list into the description of the videos. And so, because she inspired me to make a wish list, I did, and she bought me a little present. This is from Sandy, Been There, Done That. And I'm really appreciative. I'm super excited because this is something that I know I really, really need. So I'm about to open my present, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Here it comes. Ready? Right? Oh my heck, it's so cute! It's baby jiggies. Thank you so much, Sandy. I appreciate it so much. You know, it may seem like a small thing, but it's just really nice to know you're appreciated. And my case on my phone is actually falling apart, has been for a while, so I'm super excited to have a new one. And I just wanted to say thank you. I love you. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Thank you, Sandy. It's got another shipment. I am trying their sample pack because it was on sale for super cheap. You could get 10 bars for $10. And I know you guys are giving me a lot of crap for eating Built Bars, but because somebody's blood sugar got raised. But you know what? Frankly, her blood sugar didn't go up that much. And I really don't care about that. I'm all about calories. And if your blood sugar isn't going up to a ridiculously bad level, I just don't see the problem. But whatever. You don't have to do things like me if you don't want to. But I said I'd show you guys the box they sent me. It came in, like I showed you, it came in like a protective wrap so that it can't like melt on the way. This only cost me $10. I don't know if they have still the same. It's usually $20, which $20 for a pack of 10 is still actually pretty decent. It's not. I mean, like I can get Quest ones for 21 to 24, depending on the bar, for 12. Anyway, this is supposedly their new formulation, so I really don't know how much carbs are in them. Supposedly the maltodextrin in these is digestion resistant. How do you open it? Why can't I figure out how to open this box? You'd think it seems simple, yet it doesn't have an open. Okay, hang on a sec. Found it. I'm like, there's gotta be a way! At the time of this filming, I do not have an affiliate link or anything or any kind of deal with Built Bar. I had bought these myself, but I did request that. So if I receive it before I make this video, you guys will have that in the description. So maybe check down there to see if I got it. I don't know. They probably won't give it to me. I'm not as cool as what's-her-face, but all right, anyway. So the kinds that are in here, peanut butter, double chocolates, coconut almonds, caramel brownie, cookies and cream, banana bread, orange. This is literally my favorite thing. Chocolate orange. I used to love those little chocolate orange chocolate stick things. I would eat them by the whatever, but that's why I like Built Bars, is their fruit ones are my favorite. Cherry. Oh my gosh, I love cherry. And let's see, plain coconut. I like coconut too, man. These are all going to be good. And raspberry. So I don't know anything about these yet. I haven't looked at the macros or anything. If you see me eating these a lot, the reason was because I just bought a Grundle. So I've looked at all of the labels. Most of these are 130 calories. These two I think are like 180 or 200 something. That one's 180. This one is 160. Okay. So 180, 160. These are mostly 130s. I think one of these might have been a little bit more than that. These are all 4 net carbs. These are 6 net carbs. So the peanut butter and the banana bread, these ones are higher in net carbs than all of the other flavors that they sent. So if you were curious, they all have about 17 protein, 2.5 fat, And like these ones, like this one has 180. So this one is more coconut almond, probably because of the almonds. All the rest of these have like 130, which is banging awesome when you want a treat and you don't want to spend all your calories. So, woot, that makes me happy. All right, everyone. We are going out to enjoy this lovely 80-ish, 80-something degree day. We are going to the park. Virginia has a class. Not sure what they're doing today, but she's got to go to a class. And probably not going to film that. And I'm taking the rest of the kids to the park while Virginia's in her class to hang out with their friends. So, you ready for your class, Virginia? You hope so?
Where's Eloise? Don't leave!
I guess we're leaving without her.
No! No! No!
You never would, Jasper. Guys, I'm sitting here with my friends at the park. Hey! And this is what I'm going to first meal of the day. I'm having 30 grams of bacon, 60 grams of mozzarella cheese, 2 boiled eggs, and a Premier protein shake. All right, done with math. Wildly running to make sure we get to Virginia to class on time. She's probably going to be about 5 minutes late. That's probably how it's going to be every week because she has to leave from her math class and convince the teacher to let her go from that each time. It's really complicated, but whatever. We're making it work. She'll do the homework. All right, gotta head out. We'll see you guys in a little while. Guys, here I am at the dance studio. I'm not going to be crabby mom to my son today. I got accused of being crabby to you last time.
Last time we were here?
Yeah.
You already posted that video?
Yeah. Apparently when you were asking me for some of my salt, and I was like, no, you can bring your own salt. Apparently someone thought I was like a jerk mom. If you had 9 kids, you'd be a jerk mom too.
I can't undo this top thingy.
Do you want some help?
No.
I will help you, dear son. I love you so much. Give it to me and let me open it for you. Okay, I am having, don't be mad at me, but I'm having one of them. Yes, I am. Built Bar. It's like keto candy. And also a Bang. And 1 sugar jello because I'm out. My last one. I have my 3rd dose of Solé water in here, mixed with some Mio and water.
Can I have some salt?
No, man, bring your own salt. He's not very good at acting. I've seen him be a better actor than that.
I am.
This candy bar, and I'm gonna say it's a candy bar, is legit, guys. It tastes like an Almond Joy. I'm in heaven right now. Yep, this is my life. Laying on the grass, doing nothing, talking to nobody. I should be editing a video on my phone, but today I forgot to put the files on. Whoops. Finn's over there with his posse and having fun. The grass.
Run!
Be careful there, boy! What is happening? Teenagers. I got out of the car to talk to my friends so that I wouldn't hang the doors open on my car. But you know what she just told me? What did she tell me? Finn left them open while I was over chatting with my friends over there. Apparently Finn was over here chatting with his friends. So, should we find out if the car is going to start? I'm not feeling very optimistic. Nada. I am going to kill that kid. Okay, I'm not going to kill him. But you'd be a crabby mom too if you were in the situation. Again. Okay, so my friend who was supposed to, like, you know, start our car, lights are on and we're thinking that her car might be dead too. You see, crossing fingers. Oh! Oh! Oh, barely! Oh my gosh! That's so bad! I mean, there's plenty of people here, but come on.
cold. Wait, these, you gotta be careful, camera.
I know, those are the ones that,
They're alive now.
I know. That's why she said be careful, because I was like, you know, not being careful. Okay, well,
Or maybe we ended
I
up
don't know.
putting it on.
I can't remember.
I can't either.
We were like, that's what we thought last night. Oh my gosh, we are pros! Woo! Thanks, Finn.
That was me.
Yep.
Open your table.
Turn the key. Gotta get ready for your learner permits coming up.
Drive us home.
No, not today. Woo! Hallelujah! All right, I'm home from dance. It is almost 10 o'clock. It's 9:47 p.m. and I'm about to have my last meal of the day. So here's what I am having. It's Thursday night, so I'm having chicken soup. Tonight I have 40 grams of carrots, 70 grams of celery, 40 grams of onion, 8 ounces of chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Good night, everyone. I'll see y'all again tomorrow.